Sweet boy wants his mother to himself. He's very camera shy, always has been. Anytime I try to take a cute photo, he turns away and gives me the side eye. Believe me, when I put this phone away, he's gonna come right up and cuddle me. But as soon as I get the phone out, it's laying with his face buried in the blankets and in his paws and side eye. Isn't that right, buddy? But I have an idea. Oh, can I have my arm back? Oh, okay. Okay, I won't move my arm. I won't move. Oh dear. I'm stuck. I'm stuck. Literally stuck. Oh yes. Of course. Oh, don't look up. Oh, I think he looked up. Honey bears. Honey, you're so camera shy. Okay, I know. It's okay. You got a big, soft, strong chest because you have a big heart. My boy. Hey, you guys have a wonderful night, okay? Or morning. Yes, you're a good boy. It's okay. I'm with you, honey. I'm with you. It's okay. I won't. Okay, enough of these shenanigans. Okay. Oh, I know. You're good. You're a good boy. And you're very brave and strong and smart. Oh, I think he's looking at you. What is it, buddy? Do you sense that someone's watching? There's no one watching. Can I have a kiss? Are you mad at me? Okay.